Good evening, welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The Jamaican dollar continues its run of gains against the US currency for a ninth straight day. On Monday, the day ended with the US dollar selling for $127.96, equaling an 8-month low. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.78. Sterling is costing $168.87, while the euro is going for $151.61. In the meantime, Jamaicans faced the fastest price increase for a single month this year in September, as consumer prices jumped by 0.7%. The spike was due mainly to higher electricity bills, but was tempered by a fall in the price of water and sewage services. Inflation for the past 12 months was measured at 4.6%. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says Devon House is on the way to being off the budget by 2020. Devon House gets $20 million in support from the government each year. But Mr. Bartlett says Devon House will not require the grant by 2020. He was speaking at the recent opening ceremony for the latest restaurant at the facility, the Steakhouse.
Heavy local cuisine. The expanded ice cream facility that we spent $28 million to do and we opened in July of this year. And the addition of all the other shops, which for the first time, all the spaces, the commercial spaces in Devon House are now taken.
Mr. Bartlett, who has been pushing food tourism as an attraction, said he looks forward to the day when a Jamaican restaurant brand will become a global icon. The JC Index gained more than 1,945 points to close at a new all-time high, 275,610 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 37 points. Stocks finishing with gains included 1834 Investments, Blue Power, Jamaica Broilers, JMMB Group, Lasco Distributors, Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, Grace Kennedy, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.